Trade Confident family, how's everyone doing? My name is Jake, and I want to let you know we just won a 15% trade here in IMX using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. I want to show you exactly how and why we made this trade, the trade results, and where we're going to be looking for the next entry for IMX. And guys, the next entry here could very easily produce another 15% profit. Let's dive straight into it. We're going to head to the tradeconfident.io webpage. As a heads up, we're 179 wins, 0 losses, and this is thanks to this IMX trade. We're going to head to the trade setups page, and I'm going to have to skip to the bottom because I want to keep our open trades reserved for our members. Here we are looking at IMX. Let's check out our entry first. Before we entered, we saw price versus while money flow low. We saw a strong buy. This is very strong sentiment, but we waited until we actually dropped into the long trade zone. And this is going to be important. I'm going to talk to you more about this later, but we waited until we dropped into the long trade zone on the trades in favor. At that point, we made our entry at $1.86.07, set our take profit for $2.13.98, and just a few days later, this was surpassed. We called out a trade win for 15% profit. It was easy money, guys. Easy as that. And as of today, while we have moved up a little bit further, we are very happy with our profit. At this point, we are now testing resistance at $2.45.29. This is a resistance with multiple touches, and I think it's very crucial that we pay attention to it. Personally, I'm expecting a rejection simply because we have a 72% chance of a drop. The trades in favor here has a huge influence over the price of IMX. In fact, more so than some other coins I've seen. You'll notice that price versus while money flow was moving sideways here on IMX despite major movements. This means while money also has a major influence, but the trades in favor is what we're relying on in order to catch our trades. Trades in favor high, price versus while money flow high, sell signal saw moves down. And even when we saw trades in favor high with price versus while money flow not having moved much with sell signals, just these two signals saw significant moves down as well. Same thing. It wasn't until we saw trades in favor in the long trade zone after we saw price versus while money flow low and a strong buy signal that we made our entry and made significant profit. Same thing back here. Price versus while money flow hasn't moved much. Trades in favor saw a long trade zone reading. A buy signal saw a move up. Same deal back here. Price versus while money flow was neutral. Trades in favor dropped into the long trade zone. We got a buy signal and a move up. This is very consistent, and this is why we waited for the trades in favor to post a long trade zone reading. At this point, trades in favor is high, so we're expecting a drop. How far, you might ask? Well, let's check. We have major structure support on this line at $1.71. Now, this would be a pretty significant drop. This is my worst case scenario, and I'm not saying the price is going to drop that far. Rather, I'm actually going to rely on our indicators to catch the bottom. We already have price versus while money flow low. But once again, it's not until we see trades in favor drop into the long trade zone that I'm expecting any moves up. If we get trades in favor low, and especially if we get a buy signal as we drop, regardless of where the price is at, this is where we're expecting another move up, and this is what I'm looking for my next entry into IMX. Price versus while money flow is already low. I want to see a buy signal, and most importantly, I want to see trades in favor low. Now, it may seem kind of stressful to constantly pay attention to the charts in order to catch this move down, but don't fear, we're going to set an alert for this. Head over to the alerts tab, click create alert, and on IMX here, we're going to switch it to trades in favor and watch for pump. We're going to set it to once per bar close, and we're going to name it IMX 1 day watch for pump. And I want to point out here, my chart is set to 1 day, so it's going to set an alert for 1 day. Go ahead and click create. And now, as soon as we see the trades in favor drop into the long trade section, this alert is going to let us know. This will likely be a fantastic place to enter a trade. And once you're ready, and nothing is guaranteed, it's not financial advice, of course, enter at your own risk. But once you see those signals and you're ready to enter, this is how we like to manage our risk. We're going to enable show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. Click OK. Now, these readings on the TC top and bottom finder are exactly what helped us win our 179 win, 0 loss trading record in the last 14 months. Now, once the price drops, we get our signals for entry and we're ready to make our entry. We split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first one goes into a market order. The second part goes into buy limit 1, and the third part goes into buy limit 2. What this is going to do for us is if the price drops below buy limit 1, it is going to enter us into the second phase of the trade. This has now effectively doubled our original investment, and it's lowered our break even significantly, bringing us into profit much faster than we were to have if we didn't have this buy limit. If the price drops below buy limit 2, I don't think this is likely, but you always want to have it there just in case it does happen. This will effectively triple your original investment, and it'll bring your break even farther down. Now, you can adjust your take profit. Here, I have it set to 6%, but if we manage to drop all the way down to that 1.71 cent mark, there's a lot of profit potential, easily another 15%. In fact, check this out. From that structure support to our current price is a 42.72% move up. We like to try and keep our take profits below 20% for now, just because it's kind of risky to try and trade that high. Of course, it's cryptocurrency. You see moves like that all the time. But here at Trade Confident, we focus on risk management. So with that in mind, I want to help you snag these indicators for up to $550 off. But first, I want to talk to you about our membership real quick. If you don't want to make these trades on our own, the trade setups here on our membership page are going to help you out. As a heads up, our members also have access to a brand new coaching video. Take heed of this altcoin data now. Bitcoin in a bubble and about to crash to 10K. Here's my take. This is members only content from Travis Martin, the founder of Trade Confident himself. And lastly, as a heads up, there is a live Zoom Inner Circle coaching meeting for all of our members happening in just a couple days, Thursday, April 25th. You do not want to miss out on that. And of course, members are going to get significant discount codes on our indicators. So to maximize our discount, we're going down in the description below. We're going to scroll down, click more, click the membership, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $65 a month, and everything I showed you and more will be yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, click the first link for our indicators. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator page, Pro Indicator Pack. Members get $150 off. It's actually cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code here, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for that future forecast video. Don't miss out.